Oh no. Good morning. This is Hyoji.
Hello.
Actually, this is not how I plan to introduce you, but we're in bed.
Yes.
Getting cozy and snuggle. Look at the view. Oh shit.
Oh. Did you charge it?
No, for some reason it has a sensor in the back
Oh.
that if a hand, or like if we get closer to the wall,
Oh.
this one would go back. Like it's still recording.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna make tres leche.
Tres Leche.
Yes, I'm excited for that.
Oh, before that, we're gonna go for a run.
True.
And we're gonna get a bunch of food. It's a party.
Yeah, but I care more about food.
True, but we're gonna burn first. And we're gonna eat.
Yes.
So, see ya.
I'm excited.
Do it like that. I use half all-purpose flour. And then I use the cake flour. And then you need the milk.
Condensed milk.
Evaporated milk and condensed milk. Welcome back to my cooking channel.
Since when? When you're cooking YouTube.
If you follow my Snapchat, it's on there every day. Hi.
Hello.
So, we're gonna mix all the milk together.
Yeah. Bro.
Hyoji went to pick up the food. Me. She's the best. Anyways, we're gonna use cake flour. jajangmyeon, jjampong,
Jjampong.
Hyoji, and Jollibee!
Your height when you say jjampong. I mean. From now on. What?
To soak. Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I mean, I think the very first time when I waited only 6 hours. It's still good, but like the longer you wait, last time it was overnight. The longer you wait, the better it There you go. Mix it. Man. I think that's enough. We want more. I think that's enough. It looks delicious. I want some to the back. Oh my god. Okay, last time. Be even, please. Even. And then try this. Try it. Yeah, not too sweet. I like it.
It's perfect.
Last one. When you're ready. Ready?
Yeah. I just focused more.
It's too much. Done.
Yay.
You wanna take a picture? Now's the time. Hello. I was like, what should we talk about? Think.
What do you want to talk about?
How did we meet?
How did we meet? Okay. So, she is, or she was, I mean, she is the
Was.
friend with my best friend that I've been best friends since middle school. She met her in college.
That's a long story. The first time I met her, she was taking a nap in my room. I did
okay.
not know her. And then she was taking a freaking nap. I walked in, was
Okay.
like, oh.
I don't remember that because I never get to meet you that day.
You did. You came out
did?
and say hi, and I was like, oh, this is the face of the girl who was sleeping on my bunk bed, but below, because I stay on top.
Yeah, I slept at Rita's.
Yeah, but Rita share a room, you know?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that Rita didn't told you that she was bringing me.
It was a surprise. But no, I was like, oh, that's cool. Like, turned out she's a cool person.
Yay.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Yeah, she visited me in Boston.
I did.
Made my Boston transition easier.
Yeah, memorable. It was fun.
Memorable. Oh,
It
you can
was-
see my feet.
It was cold as hell.
It was the best photo shoot.
It was
The coldest.
coldest, but also I had a
Ever.
really fun time. It was super fun.
Me too. Check out the picture.
Instagram.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go get ice cream.
In about an hour.
We're not taking this
No.
this
we're
stay
not.
home. Yeah, so we'll be fine.
Yeah. Imagine if you drop this camera. Oh my gosh.
Where? Here?
No, like outside. If you're like holding it like you're vlogging.
Okay, can you put your hands over it? Closer!